afternoon, everyone. This is my teaching demo, which is continuously demonstrate the intermediate level, and the lecture will be last for 10 minutes. Today, I'm going to introduce the English loan words in Korean. The reason I introduced some English loan words in Korean is to boost your confidence, and I think personally it would be more easy for you to memorize or understand Korean vocabulary if you pronounce like similar pronunciations, or you already know the meaning of these words in English. So, loan words is called 차용어 in Korean, and there are a lot of English loan words in Korean. For example, this is coffee. Coffee means coffee in English. So basically the meanings are the same, but the pronunciation is different. This one, can you read, Marie?
햄버거,
Good, well done. Then this one is Sophie?
텔레비전,
Yes, good job. So as you can see, there are a lot of loan words in the Korean language, and then I'd like to encourage you to find some loan words in Korean outside of the classroom, to remember some new vocabulary that you've already known from your own language. So I'll move on to the consonant assimilations in Korean. I think I observed some difficulties from my students, that because of this consonant assimilation phenomenon in Korean, a lot of people, especially foreign students, think it's very difficult to pronounce some Korean words because of consonant assimilations. Because sometimes each syllables actually doesn't pronounce as the same sound of each phonemes. Such as this word, let's look at this word together. Literally it's called 갓이. But you wouldn't, I suppose that you would never heard this word and this pronunciation from native speaker of Korean. Because Korean speakers would pronounce 같이. Because the reason is that this T, like ticket, it's very similar sound to English T, but ticket in Korean assimilates this consonant sound, 이응. So that's why it becomes ticket, and 이응 assimilates the sound like 칠. So instead of we pronounce 갓이, it sounds very unnatural for Korean speakers. We pronounce 같이. So these consonants move towards to the right hand sound, and assimilates to the word 같이. Maria, would you pronounce this word, please?
같이,
Yes, good. Good job. And last, I'm going to introduce some useful verb phrase in Korean. So today I'm going to explain 뭐뭐 하고 싶다.
하고 싶다,
뭐뭐 고 싶다. That means in English want to. So 커피를 마시고 싶어요 means I want to have some coffee. So 하고 싶다 is infinitive form of equivalent to English want to. But we have some honorifics of each verb. phrase in Korean. And then this is why one of the reasons that foreign students think it's very difficult to understand some Korean verbs because of different honorifics. So for example, 고 싶다 is the original verb phrase, but Korean people would speak 뭐뭐 하고 싶어요 or 싶습니다.
싶습니다.
Those two forms are more formal. And this is called honorific. So please be careful that when you read Korean people, it's always better to be polite. Of course, with English, it's always better to be polite to other people. So instead of saying, for example, 먹고 싶다, it sounds quite impolite to the speaker. So please use either 싶어요 or 싶습니다. So these are the verb suffix. So each verb has these verb suffixes in Korean. The suffixes are always the same, two form of honorifics. I'll demonstrate an example sentence in English, and I'll let you guys to write in Korean to the board. So the example sentence is, I want to eat a hamburger. Yeah, it's a little bit different. English sentence is totally different totally different from Korean sentence. That's because please look at this circle, which is an English article A. In Korean language, we don't have an article. And then this pronoun I, in the Korean language, we sometimes actually drop the pronoun. So it's a correct sentence if you say, want to eat a hamburger, instead of saying, I want to eat a hamburger. And then, can you see the sentence? Do you know? Does anybody know the sentence structure of Korean language? Let's look at it. This is subject, and this is verb phrase in English, and this is object. Do you know the difference, anyone, about the Korean sentence structure, Sophie?
Korean sentence structure is opposite from English one.
Yes, good. How opposite?
Koreans tend to put the object next to the subject.
Yes, good. So yes, Korean sentence consists of subject, object, and a verb. So it's called SOV language. But English is SVO language. Okay. Just before I give you guys the next homework, is there any volunteer to write this English sentence into Korean? Any volunteers?
Oh, can I?
Okay. Okay, Sophie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
In Korean.
Yes.
는 햄버거를 먹고 싶습니다.
Very good. As you can see, everybody, Sophie, well done. Yes, Sophie wrote using a formal sentence, which is 먹고 싶습니다 instead of writing 먹고 싶다, which is really good. So Sophie seems understand the basic structure of Korean language. So I'd like to give you some assignment. Just like the Sophie wrote this sentence, I'll give a scenario. The scenario is to introduce American food, whatever you like, to your Korean friend. Please write in Korean and use this verb phrase 뭐 먹고 싶다, which means want to. So please write down 3 sentences to introduce American food to your Korean friend. This is the homework for next week.
Okay.
Thank you for your attention today.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네.
다음에 뵐게요.
다음에 뵐게요.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeannie, and today I'm going to demonstrate teaching Korean in English. Before I start my class, I'd like to briefly explain about the teaching objective for this class. The level of this class is beginners, and the course objective is for this class is introduce Korean basic phonemes and phonology system and then benefit to the students to read and write basic Korean words. From now on, I'm going to demonstrate my class. I'm going to start with explanation about the Korean writing system. The Korean writing system, Hangul, is one of the most scientific and systematic writing systems in the world. Hangul is made of an alphabet of 21 vowels and 19 consonant symbols. The distinctive Korean phonology system is Koreans do have a lot of vowels, which represents double vowels, and positions allophones. So for example, the English phoneme R and L are the allophones in Korean, which is they are 2 different phonemes in English. And that's one of the reasons is Koreans actually cannot pronounce R and L sound correctly when they pronounce in English. I'm going to demonstrate a Korean word to explain Korean phonology system. This is the Korean word that everybody knows once they learned Korean. It is called 사랑해요, which consists of 4 syllables. 사랑해요. This word means I love you in English. I'll demonstrate how systematic the Korean phonological system is using this simple word. As you can see, the right hand vowels in the red color, like a, yo, are Korean vowels, and the horizontal color in green of each syllable is consonant. And the consonant pronouns is 사, 시옷, 리을, 히읗, 이응. So therefore, as you can see from each syllable, Korean language consists of consonant and vowel. Consonant and vowel. Consonant and vowel. Second, please pay attention this letter at the bottom of the second syllable. This syllable is pronounced as 이응, and then 이응 is a position elephant. There are a lot of position elephants in the Korean language, and it's always combined with consonants and vowels. So, the second syllable is consonant, vowel, and this 이응 is positioned elephant. So, can you understand why Korean word is and a writing system is a little bit systematic? Because it's quite easy to understand because CV, CV, CV of each word.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm going to demonstrate, from now on, I'm going to demonstrate so-called, it's my own creation, a Korean vowel dance to help you to understand and memorize Korean phonemes better, especially vowels. So, yeah, I'm going to start then. So if you have any time after class or any time during the class, if you have some movement of this vowel dance, I'll be glad that to see to be proved that you are studying some Korean before the class. So, such as I'm going to start from these vowels: a, ya, 여, 오, 유, 오, 요, 우, 유, and 이. One of the easiest way that you can remember these vowels are you can remember the similar vowel as pairs. So, such as a, ya, and the opposite way, 여, and 오, 요, 우, 유, 이.
Wow.
Is it more easy to understand? You
네.
guys?
Yeah.
Would you repeat after me, or would you follow me of the vowel dance, please? Okay.
네.
a, 야,
아, 야,
여,
여,
오, 요,
오, 요,
우, 유,
우, 유,
이.
이.
Oh, well done. So now you can remember some vowel dance and as well as Korean vowels and consonants. That's good. So these are the Korean vowels and consonants, and then I'd like you to remember how simple that you can remember using some dance to understand Korean phonology today. I'm going to give the assignment to use these vowel and consonants. So I want you to write and distinct the vowels and consonants in Korean, such as you can just circle it, or if you like the triangle shape, just triangle, different vowels and consonants. And then I'm going to give the handout just like this, including a lot of Korean words. And then please draw some circle to distinguish different vowel and consonant sounds. And the due date is by next Friday. Thank you for your attention today, and then see you next time. Thank you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네.